I've just released a series of guided meditations called The Abundant Life. It is meant to guide you towards a healthier perspective on life, relationships, God, and yourself. The philosophy behind an abundant life is not that you will physically have everything you need, but that you will develop the inner peace, joy, and faith to endure and even thrive amidst every trial that comes your way. The abundant life is a life that is built on a solid foundation. It is a life with purpose, intention, and emotional soundness. Even if you're not a Christian, you can still greatly benefit from these guided meditations. Each week, you'll receive a 15-minute relaxing video that dives deeper than the ones I post here on YouTube. The weekly videos will consist of either a tranquil scene from nature, a peaceful DIY or gardening, a theme for the week that will lead you towards an abundant life, my insights on the topic, a powerful reflection question for the week, and a short prayer. There is also an audio version for each video so that you can play it at your convenience. The main difference between the Abundant Life guided meditation videos versus my videos here on YouTube is that they will be longer, more in-depth, and will follow a very specific curriculum that takes you through the journey of self-discovery, the exploration of purpose, the practical next steps on how to live it out, and ultimately, how to flourish in this one precious life that you've been given. To sign up, simply go to girlintheword.com/theabundantlife. I've also linked it in my description below. The first video will be released on Sunday, June 9th, and will speak about self-acceptance. We can't move forward with loving others and loving our lives if we don't know what it means to love ourselves. And no, this is not going to be a shallow, feel-good series about why you're so awesome and deserving of praise. True love is unconditional, which means that it has nothing to do with being deserving. The kind of self-acceptance that I want us to develop is one that is independent of what we do and solely dependent on who we are. That way, it'll be more sustainable. After going through acceptance, we will dive into perspective, identity, purpose, boundaries, and so forth. I know that this foundational series will bless you, so I hope that you'll give it a try. The link to my guided meditations is in my description below. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you.